if y'all saw, but Rod got his line cut, and so did Nick, within just a few moments of each other, so that's crazy. But they weren't running still leaders, so still leaders are the way to go. I don't have my net with me. Take him down the side of the dock. Oh, he's nice and long. Oh, yeah, he's really long. Cool.
You ain't got your frog.
Oh, wow, he's long. Skinny long.
Skinny and long.
Got that frog right where you want him.
Yep.
It'll probably be pretty easy to get out, too.
Hold it. Yep. Open your mouth.
Sweet. Oh, you don't ever hold him like this?
No.
You don't want to touch him? Alright, cool.
You can play with it.
Yeah, I want to play with him. Look at how much thicker his head is than the rest of his body.
That's why he was hungry.
Wow. Yeah, man. Huh. Yeah, I'll throw him back in for you. We're gonna take these grips off and then let him in nice and easy. Hopefully he stays docile, doesn't jump around too much. Come on now. Oh yeah, nice and easy.
Got one.
You got another one already? What? Where's he at? Oh, he's way out there, huh?
He made a big splash.
I can see the trail of destruction from here. Oh, he looks decent, dude. Woo! Woo-hoo! Oh, nice. He's giving us a show.
But one day you don't bring a net.
Yeah, I know, right? There we go. Oh yeah, he's a good one, dude. He's pretty fat.
Fat.
Oh, you just barely got him, dude, by that bottom lip. His lip is tore up, too. Yeah. Oh, man. He's solid, dude. Look at that.
Where'd you get it?
Barely on the lip.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that's it.
That easy.
That's all she wrote, dude. You want to hold him for a picture or nothing?
Nope.
You good? Dude, that one's awesome. I wish we had a scale, because he is solid.
Yeah, he's fucking heavy. He had all the energy too. Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna throw him back in. There you go. There's the guy who got him. Good job, dude.
Whoa!
Ah!
Hey, he said, "Oh!"
He didn't quite make it back in the water. No way! What's going on?
Back to back, dude. Oh, now come get him.
You got one?
Yeah,
Seriously?
you got one too.
What? What is going on? Oh, I see him. Oh, jeez, dude. Yeah, she's good. Bring her on.
Oh, she's a good one too, man. She's a long one.
That's the same one you just let go.
All
Oh,
yours.
man, I need to get my frog in the water, dude. I might actually get one.
Man, that one's barely hooked too.
Woo!
It might be the same one.
All right, now Nick will hold it. Nick will hold it and show everybody. it's not quite as skinny, but yeah, it's same thing. He's got that big head and that skinny body.
Yeah, mine was short but fat.
Come on, man. You sliding on my boots.
These things are super slimy.
Oh man.
Alright, let me focus it real quick. Alright, there we go. Here, give them to me, let me throw them back in.
You don't want to weigh him?
Oh yeah, yeah, go ahead. Let's see.
Like freaking 3, 4, 5. Oh, mine was skinnier. Oh, that one.
You said mine was skinnier?
Yeah. You're gonna get pissed here pretty quick. Yeah,
Just fucking throw him.
Here, give them to me, I'll let them go.
You about to quit moving before you piss me off.
Alright.
Oh, you did that to yourself, Chief.
That works too.
Right there.
These guys are freaking rambunctious today, dude.
That's 3 back to back. We got 3 and 2 that cut the lines. Yeah.
Yeah, it should have been 5.
Alright, John just said it. Today is a crazy day. Super good luck in like the last 5 minutes. So I gotta get my frog out there before I miss something. Oh my goodness, I'm so jealous of you right now.
Oh, I got a frog.
Oh, there's a
You said I got a receipt?
There was a frog that he drug in with the fish. So, yep, additional frog to the froggy bit. That's pretty sweet. And let me hold him still. Oh, you went like, oh, okay, I see.
Give my frog back.
Oh man.
Man, he's so good.
There we go, okay. He ain't hurt too bad. He'll be alright. These guys are tough. Yeah, he's good. Alright, let's get him back in a we'll get him in the water quick. You're alright, girl. Yeah. Maybe he'll calmly go.
Drying out there, little bud.
There you go, nice and easy, little guy. Awesome. We had a fantastic time this afternoon. John got 2, Rod got 1, Nick got 1, I got none. Ugh. So I'm just gonna change the name. It's gonna be, you know, last cast with everyone else, and sometimes James catches a fish, but rarely. So yeah, they're gonna stick around for a little bit. I gotta go get something to eat. I'm starving. So good luck, guys.
Peace.